Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Quadtych Dutch pour. It's a commission piece by one of my subscribers, Karen Jeter. Definitely go and check out her channel as well. It's Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. She does some really amazing work. But today, like I said, we're doing a Quadtych and we're using the colors Craftsmart Green Teal, and we're using, what is this, Folk Art Chocolate Brown Metallic, and we're using Artist Loft White is the white that I'm always using. I've already pre-prepped my canvases, and we're using Craftsmart Vanilla. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm thinking of doing a, I guess a diagonal pour here to start with. So let's see what we got. I'm going to start with this Craftsmart Teal Green, and I'm going to go across all four of these. So let's do this and hope for the best. I'm going to follow that up with some Craftsmart Brown. I'm going to layer in some of this vanilla. I'm going to come back in with some more of this this chocolate brown. This is my metallic color. I'll throw some more of this teal green down. I think I might add a little bit of white, not a whole lot. Gonna add some more vanilla. Let's do a bit more of this metallic brown. And then we'll come back in for a final one of these teal greens. I really like the way these colors are playing together. I think they're super, super pretty. today we did a Quadtych canvas Dutch pour, and I think it turned out absolutely amazing. Karen, I hope you love this as much as I enjoyed making it. I mean, I'm floored by the colors, the way that they come together, the way that they moved on the canvas. It worked out really, really wonderfully. Guys, let me know what you think of my painting. And be sure to make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button if you want to see more of my content. And until the next time, see you later. Bye.